Hello everyone, in this video, I will share to you 5 steps you should take to become a great mechanical engineer. If you're new to this channel, just click the subscribe button and the bell icon to notify you for upcoming videos. You probably already have an idea about what to expect when studying mechanical engineering, but what about the jobs you can look forward to when taking such a degree? I'm here to fill in the blanks and cover the things that will truly make you stand out on the job market if you study a bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering. So be sure to watch about these steps when considering undergraduate studies in mechanical engineering. What is mechanical engineering? Before we dive into the steps that will help you become a successful mechanical engineer, let's look at what mechanical engineering really is, and what you can expect during your studies. Mechanical engineering focuses on the design, manufacturing, testing, and improvement of mechanical systems, which are used in virtually any industry you can think of. One of the reasons mechanical engineering students choose this discipline is because of its versatility and the various career options available after graduation. You can work in fields like construction, automotive industry, robotics, energy sector, and many others. The type of courses you'll take will vary depending on the curriculum of your bachelor's program. In general, you can expect to study subjects like engineering service and statistics, engineering economy, materials science, technical writing, design, and automation, thermodynamics, mathematics, engineering analysis, etc. To be a successful mechanical engineer, here is the 5 of the most important skills you can develop. Number 1. Problem solving. Essential to solve all the complex puzzles that stand between you and the perfect mechanical product, device and system. Number 2. Creativity. The only way to come up with innovative solutions, see what others do not, and create something from nothing. Number 3. Communication. Needed to work with your team, and even more important when explaining clients and users how to use your product or solutions. Number 4. Teamwork. Mechanical engineers often work in groups, which helps them brainstorm ideas, compare suggestions, and find the right answer to a given challenge or task. Number 5. Math skills. Solving mechanical engineering problems most often requires the use of mathematical principles, like calculus or statistics. Choose a good international engineering school to make a name for yourself. If you really want to stand out from the crowd, you should orient your bachelor's or master's studies towards prestigious engineering schools. Many other international universities offer good quality mechanical engineering studies, which are worth bragging about in your CV. Yes, universities matter. But you know what's something employers value even more than anything? It is experience. Hardcore, getting hands dirty experience. Start developing your mechanical engineering skills by doing internships, taking part-time jobs, volunteering, or shadowing professionals during your undergraduate degree. You'll have the best chance to not only graduate with a great diploma, but also with practical insight about how to get the job done. Consider this as an investment, seeing how you offer your time now. Mechanical engineering jobs are not only profitable, but also in high demand. The number of available work opportunities is both stable and growing. Mission accomplished. You are now equipped with the key guidelines to go rock the world of mechanical engineering. I wish you all good luck to your journey. Thank you for watching.